Nevada's capital city went on high alert Tuesday after a gunman wielding an AK-47 walked into an IHOP restaurant and opened fire on a table of uniformed National Guardsmen.
It is absolutely horrible. Horrible. I'm stunned.
3 guard members were killed. So was a 4th person, a woman, and 7 others were wounded. A short time later, the gunman, 32-year-old Eduardo Ascension, shot and killed himself. Police are still trying to determine the motive.
There has been some suggestion by his family members that there is some mental health issues that we are going to have to look into.
Although the shooting happened inside the restaurant, authorities say the gunman then walked outside, got into his car, and drove around in circles, continuing to fire at other businesses.
Most of the businesses within a 360-degree turn have been damaged.
Authorities say Ascension had never been in the military and had no known ties with anyone inside the restaurant.
I just wanted to take a moment and say how shocked and saddened we are by this isolated and very tragic event. We are cooperating fully with the authorities, and we will do everything possible to help bring this to resolution. As police responded to the incident, officials quickly locked down the state capitol and Supreme Court buildings for about 40 minutes. They also found 2 guns in his vehicle, a rifle and a pistol. Authorities say Ascension worked at his family's business and had no known criminal record. The gunman's attorney said there had been a bankruptcy proceeding 2 years ago, but expressed shock at the shooting, calling it, quote, an aberration of his character. Brian Thomas, The Associated Press.